I just wanted someone to look at me too.
Look at that little smile.
Mom, I got the highest score in my class.
That is wonderful, Emily. Put it on the table.
Dad, do you want to see it?
In 1 minute, Emily.
Good morning, Mom.
Please speak quiet. Lily may sleep soon.
But she is still awake. Mom, can you help me with this word?
I will help when Lily finishes feeding. Can you help me now? Later, Emily. Please try it yourself.
Good evening, little moon. Are you ready for a story?
Dad, can we finish our dragon story tonight?
Tomorrow night.
You said tomorrow yesterday.
I will be back in 1 minute.
Mom, can you come and see my room?
Good girl, Emily. Do you want to see it? Emily?
The answer is 7.
Correct. Excellent work, Emily.
And then Mr. Henderson said it was the best one he'd seen all week. I was so surprised. Wow, that's really great, Sarah. That was amazing. You answered every question today. I really prepared a lot. I studied for a long time. Your parents will be proud.
Dad, my teacher gave me this today.
I will look after Lily sleeps.
Mom, is my lunch ready?
I will pack it now.
Mom, the bus is here.
I will bring your lunch later. Where is your lunch? Mom said she would bring it. Take half of mine. Then we can both be a little hungry.
Maybe I need someone to remember me.
I am home. I said I am home. I said I am home. Welcome home, Emily.
You have been very quiet.
Everyone wants me to be quiet.
Did something happen at school?
Mom forgot my lunch.
Why did you not tell us?
Mom already has too many things to remember. I do not want to be another thing Mom remembers. I want to be her daughter.
When Lily cries, everyone comes. When I am quiet, nobody comes. Everyone always says tomorrow. Emily is not in her room. She is not outside. She asked if you still loved her. When Lily cries, everyone comes. When Emily is quiet, nobody comes.
The bench near the big tree.
May I sit beside you?
You noticed quickly today. You did not notice yesterday.
It was wonderful 3 days ago.
When Lily cries, everyone runs. When I am quiet, nobody comes.
Is this truly how you feel?
I did not want you to stop loving Lily. I just wanted someone to look at me too.
I am looking now.
We were so scared when you left alone. It's dangerous out here, Emily, and we need to stay together. Leaving alone was dangerous.
I am sorry I scared you.
You should never need to disappear to be seen. I saw you every day, but I did not really look at you.
I knew you were hurting, but I waited until tomorrow.
You came today.
Sorry without change is only another promise.
What if Lily needs help during Emily time?
One parent helps Lily. The other stays with you. Let us try it together.
We never finished this.
I was winning.
Lunch, fruit, and water.
Now, where were we?
The giant wooden door.